Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Tyagi. I'm working as a director of Culinary with Pullman and Novotel, New Delhi, Aerocity. I would like to welcome you all at the Nature's Baskets Cook-A-Thon. A promotion is spread over for 15 days with 15 different chefs where they'll be sharing their recipe which they have curated for this Christmas season. I'll be doing a very simple dish. It's basically a chicken stuffed with gorgonzola and pear, served with pumpkin puree and sautéed kale, and some water chestnut. All these ingredients are available, readily available, and they are goes very well for the perfect Christmas dinner. For this, I'll be needing a chicken breast. This is one chicken breast which is boneless and without skin. Some kale leaves, some water chestnut. You can use the fresh water chestnut, or if you don't have fresh, you can use the chestnut which comes in a tin. Some rosemary and thyme, some roasted pine nuts, some peeled pumpkin, which we're going to use it for the puree, some chopped pear, some gorgonzola cheese, garlic, some shallots, and salt and olive oil. For this, as I said, we need a nice this chicken breast, which is boneless without a skin. What I'm going to do is I have to just make a slit here, deep slit right in the center. So that you can easily open the breast like this. Now we're going to keep this chicken breast right in the middle of a bag or a butchery bag. Now with a hammer, we have to just make it flat so that we can easily roll it. Now we have to make the puree, or pumpkin puree, which we're going to use it for my plating. So I have this peeled pumpkin with me. I'm using the regular yellow pumpkin. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to season this with some crushed black pepper, some salt, bit of olive oil, and my favorite herb which goes very well with pumpkin is rosemary. It balances out the sweetness of the pumpkin. This will go in the oven. So now we're going to prepare the stuffing. So we take a pan, some bit of olive oil. We'll add some chopped shallots. All these ingredients are from Nature's Basket. One-stop convenient solution for all your international gourmet needs. So we're going to saute the onions or the shallots on a very slow and gentle heat. Once it's slightly brown in color, then we'll add the pear, chopped pear. Bit of thyme, we're going to deglaze it with a bit of little white wine, a little black pepper, a little bit of salt. Now we're going to keep this mixture aside and we'll bring down the temperature. Once it gets cool, then we'll add cheese into it. So now, as you see that, we'll shift this mixture in a mixing bowl. Now what I'm doing is I'll add some cheese. This is a very strong cheese, so it will add the sweetness of the pear, and we're going to give a very nice taste to our chicken dish. So now we're going to do the stuffing part. For this, we're going to use the silver foil. We will have this chicken breast, which we're going to keep it in the center. We'll keep the cheese, pear and onion stuffing in the center. Now, with the help of silver foil, we'll make a nice roulade. We're going to seal the ends and ensure that it's even in size from all the sides. This will go into the oven. Now we're going to saute the kale, which is again a seasonal vegetable, perfect for the winter. Pan, a little bit of olive oil. And kale leaves. Bit of pepper, some salt, and a little bit of butter. So the kale is ready. We're going to use the same pan for our water chestnuts. So we'll shift the kale in a plate. Again, same pan, some water chestnuts. Again, bit of pepper, some salt, bit of olive oil. So we're going to give a nice caramelized brown color to these water chestnuts. Add a little bit of butter. And then we have to keep it inside. So we have cooked our pumpkin, which is ready to go in a blender. You can remove the rosemary. You can see the nice color. Now we'll make a fine puree with the help of blender, and which we're going to use it for the plating. So this will go in the blender. Now our chicken roulade, which is we cooked in the oven, is also good to go. Now we'll take out the, you can see it's nicely done, cooked. So the chicken is ready. We'll give it a nice color. For this, we'll take a pan. We'll add some butter and we'll give a nice brown color to the chicken which we have cooked in the oven. So now I'm going to plate our chicken dish. We'll place our chicken in the center. We'll add kale leaves. I have made some roll with a pumpkin. And a little bit of jus. I have some pumpkin crisp which I'm going to use in the plating, and a bit of caramelized chestnut. And finally some microgreens. Bit of olive oil. It was wonderful being a part of Nature Basket Christmas Cook-A-Thon 2021.